Hi, my name is Anshuman Gaur, and I'm a PM on Viva Connections team. Today, I'm going to talk about the powerful authoring and administration capabilities in Viva Connections. But before we get started, let's do a quick recap of Microsoft Viva and Viva Connections. Microsoft Viva is the employee experience platform within Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Teams. It is the application suite that brings together all the apps and tools into a solution that enables connection, insight, purpose, and growth. As you can see, we have got a set of Viva apps that span these needs. In this session, we will focus on the connection area that ensures that the employees are informed, included, and inspired. Viva Connections play an important dual role in the suite. First, it is the front door for the home of the suite. You can easily discover and find your way to any of the Viva apps directly from Connections. And second, it provides a surface that brings together news, announcements, conversations, apps, tasks, and resources, all tailored to the unique needs of employees and organizations. Quickly recapping the Connections experience we started with at the beginning of 2022. On the mobile, we have three tabs: dashboard, feed, and resources. And on desktop, we include the home site or top of the portal for the tenant. This is a customer-owned canvas and the layout with curated content that customers choose to include. We continue our journey with Connections and are introducing a new home experience on the desktop. This new experience aligns the information architecture of the app with mobile, and it has same three pivots: dashboard, feed, and resources coming together on one single page. It is the front door to the Viva suite with easy navigation and wayfinding to Viva apps that users have available to them. If you already have a home site, it offers a seamless navigation to existing home site and automatically brings the home site content from dashboard and global navigation on this page. On the setup and deployment side, it eliminates many setup and configuration steps and helps customers get started with Connections and deploy much more quickly. And lastly, it introduces a bespoke experience for frontline workers. To learn more about the Viva Home experience, check out the link in the video description. Now let's talk about the setup of Viva Connections. Our goal is to have a frictionless setup experience for admins and operators. It now takes only one click to enable the app with the default out-of-the-box content. And the content authors can further tailor the content right within the Teams app. Let me show you what we have started rolling out in January of 2023. This is an in-app editing experience for the dashboard. I can click on Add a Card, and this is where I can find all the Viva module cards, the third-party cards, as well as any custom cards built by the customer and their IT partners. Adding a card is really this simple. I can select the card, move it around and place it where I would like to see it, and republish. Adding a card is really this simple. I also have the option to edit the global navigation under resources. I can click on this edit button. Panel shows up with all the existing content. I can decide where I want to add additional resources, add information, and save. And that resources will get updated right at the moment. I can do all of this without leaving Teams, all within the context of the app that the end users see. As you can see, what was previously an 8-step and 3-page long setup process for Viva Connections now takes just 3 bullet points to explain to our customers. An easy setup and deployment means more time to focus on branding, content, and the employee experience that Viva Connections enables. If you don't have a home site, no problem. The Viva Connection home experience comes with the default cards that are easily customizable, and it does not require a home site setup anymore. Having said that, if you do have a home site and a dashboard is already set up, the new home experience seamlessly and effortlessly brings that existing content into Viva Home on Teams. Here you can see that I can easily navigate to the home site and see all the home site content and come back to Viva Home experience. To bring it home, we are offering a great default experience with frictionless setup, home to access all the Viva apps, powerful authoring capabilities, and a platform for custom integration to create the most engaging employee experience that enables employees to be informed, included, and inspired. And that's Viva Connections.